Hello, folks. Have you been considering how to make your life work and still progress with that much-awaited home renovation? Well, today we'll break it down for you on whether to stay or move out during the process. Many people ask us, why would anybody want to live through dust, noise, and chaos? The reason is simple: to witness the transformation and save on rent simultaneously. Living on site may become a challenge if the project is a full home renovation. But if it's just specific areas, there's a way to do it. And we are here to share a comprehensive guide on how to live through a renovation. First up, plan ahead. The key to a smooth experience is setting realistic expectations and preparing on all levels, not just physical, but also emotional. Having a clear comprehension of the renovation phases can make daily life organization a lot easier. Next, you should move your belongings out of the way to protect them from possible damage. Consider a storage solution like pods for those items which won't be needed during the process. Setting up temporary arrangements is also important. Make your home livable without giving up the comfort and convenience. A room can become your safe haven, away from all work chaos. Consider a temporary kitchen and bathroom as well, to continue living just as you always do. Safety is critical, especially if you have kids, pets, or elderly family members with you. Ensuring a secure space for them to hang out without being near any tools or machines is essential. On to the next point: prepare for some inconvenience. Yes, there will be noise and dust, but we've got you covered. A beneficial trick is to invest in temporary walls and discuss with your contractor about scheduling the noisiest tasks when you're not around. Remember, good communication with your renovation team is super important. They are by your side on this transformation journey, so feel free to express your thoughts and concerns openly. Lastly, but very importantly, be patient. The process may seem overwhelming, but remember, quality work needs careful planning and attention. That's it, folks. Living through a renovation may seem daunting, but with positivity, planning, and the right renovation contractor, it can be managed well. So take the leap and let's make your dream home a reality. For those of you in Philadelphia, Matrix team is here to accompany you on this exciting journey. Contact us today for our free consultation service. Until next time, happy renovating.